Guys, what is up? We're back with another video again. We're doing update on the trailer. I have not even changed I have not even put the center board yet, but yeah, I've been busy and I've been using the trailer without putting the center board, and I still haven't stained it, so I had to change some other stuff because I recently got a blowout. Unfortunately, I risked it and I used the tires that were originally from, I guess, 2011, I believe. I don't really know, but let me show you. So, yep, that's what happened. And I was trying to get a new rim for it because I don't like this style. So I was like, well, you know what? I'll go to Tractor Supply, get a new rim, call it a day. Turns out it's a different bolt pattern, and it's these were 4 3/4 because Adam gave me the template, and I tried them out and they weren't it. So I was like, okay. When I went to go pick up the wheels, I didn't know, I didn't come and measure them. I didn't have this yet. So I was at Tractor Supply and I was measuring or checking the other wheels with the template, and there was 4.5 and 5. I assumed 5 were like the regular size for these trailers, and maybe 4.5 was for this. Unfortunately, no. These were 4 3/4. They told me they don't make these anymore whenever I called Flat Rock. So they gave me a deal. I bought 2 wheels and a set of hubs for $300. I think it's a deal. I mean, they're like $58 plus tax, $56 plus tax at Northern Tool, and Tractor Supply I think it's $66. Don't quote me on that, but hey, it came with lug nuts too, so that's a plus. So yep, $300 out the door. Now I'm gonna replace them. We're gonna first start out with, just probably pull out the wheel. Yes, I'm gonna take out the wheel and then take out the center bolt nut, and hopefully the hub will come out easily. So let's wait for that. Now we gotta remove this little pin, cotter pin. I believe we just twist this out. At least they still have grease on it. Kind of just want to snip it off, honestly. I think I'm gonna do that, but I need 2 hands. Okay, loosened up the nut, which I believe it shouldn't be super tight either. I think, I don't know. Let's put this bad boy here. Oh, and that comes out pretty easily. I thought it was gonna come out a lot harder. Okay, let me clean myself up and then get the other hub ready. All right, thankfully it comes greased already. So now I'm just gonna slap it on here. Remove this. Oh, made a mess. Good to go. So now we're just gonna install this, and yeah. So now I just I'll put it already, the other one on, and all we gotta do is remove the left hub, or the passenger side hub, and this wheel was torn up. Pretty good. But luckily nothing fell off the trailer whenever this happened. But yep, so we just gotta load this up a little bit higher. All right. So we just gotta remove these lug nuts. Something too shabby. It's the receipt. The parts that we got. I don't even know what this is, this little locker. Here's the hub. Lug nuts here. This is really simple so far. Oh gosh. Let's get that out of here. Oh, there's a cockroach. Dude, I freaking hate cockroaches. Get out of here. Okay. So there's this little cover cup right here. I don't know what you call this. You just find a flat screwdriver and hammer it away. Hopefully you don't hit your fingers. There we go. And then there's this little cotter pin. I think I said that on the other side. I ended up just snapping it, cutting it. I mean, oh gosh, this one's a little bit tougher. And these clippers kind of suck. Pliers. There we go. Just want to straighten them out a little bit so when it does come out, it comes out a little bit smoother. Then what I do if I'm struggling, I just twist it like this. And eventually it pops right out. It's out. And this is already loose, which I got a socket. I think it was a 38 millimeter. I don't know what it would be in whatever the thing's called. Anyways, I guess you don't need to tighten it. Let's pull this booger out. Carefully remove it. Bam. Bam, bam. Slide in. And then you pull this one. Oh, this brings this with it. There we go. Once you do that, you open up the other little baggie. Dang it. Let me grab something to clean myself with. I don't know what these are for. Maybe it's in case of a different style of hubs or I don't even know what they're called already. I already forgot. Your rear end? I don't know. Anyways, I'm not using them. Here's your cotter pin. Excuse me if I'm not naming the stuff the proper way. My English is not too good at times. So you put this washer in, and you put this one. And voila. And then you just gotta match it up with the holes. Wherever this thing's at. Don't even see the hole yet. Bam. And bam. Okay, the tricky part that I struggled with was putting this gasket back on. Just because how tight this part is to go in there. But what I ended up doing was just hammering it away. Okay, let me find a different method. So what I'm gonna do is put this right here and hammer away. Let's hope this works. I'm just doing this to protect this little socket because I am gonna return it. Dang it. I am kind of glad that it is pretty tight though, because if it wasn't, that means it would more than likely come loose while I'm driving or hit a bump, and that's not good. This is the same lug nut pattern as my other trailer. That way if I do get a blowout, I'll have the right spare tire this time, which I have 5 spare tires actually. 4 of them are, they lose a little bit, they lose a little bit of air, but it's okay. I'm gonna go get the tire. And the tires, like I said, I bought them at, where did I buy them at? I already forgot. Oh, Flat Rock Trailers. And I had gone to Tractor Supply before and I paid 420 something bucks for just 2 wheels. Identical. 6-ply, 205s, 75 15s. So they gotta give me a little bit better deal, honestly. What the? Okay, I need to go way up higher. Oh, almost got it. Bam, bam. Okay. Put these luggy nuts back on. By the way, I didn't know until Adam showed me that the lug nuts, you see how it has this little concave acorn, I guess you could call it, goes in this way. I thought they went in like this, honestly. But it makes sense because there's a groove in there. It goes towards inside. Man, look how buttery smooth they are. Good thing about having a new trailer, it goes in so smooth. Or new hubs and new wheels. Love it, love it. Let me know if y'all torque down y'all's trailers, at least for these utility trailers, because I don't. I don't know if I should, but I don't really care. This trailer's pretty much done, other than just, I gotta, oh, wrong one. I need to add that 2x4 in the center and stain it. And yeah, so this is how to change a hub on your utility trailer with a new wheel. Let me know what else y'all want to watch or what else y'all want to see trailer wise. So yep, please subscribe, comment, and like, share. Peace.